Hello students. So we will be doing some questions based on the concepts that I have taught you till now. Okay. So the very first type of questions will come into is you will be asked several questions onto this concept that find a rational number between two numbers. What I've given over here, find a rational number between n numbers. This n numbers can be anything, right? Okay, and they can give you a question like this, that find n natural numbers. Suppose they gave a question that find 10 rational numbers between two numbers. So two numbers are given to you, and there you will have to find some 10 rational numbers. So for doing this question, there are basically three methods, okay, where whose name are I'll go to them one by one. So the very first one being the mid value method, second one being the denominator method, and the third one is a method used when the denominators are not same. Okay, so we'll get back to it. Okay, so number one, the mid value method. Into this method, where you can apply this method, this is basically a very easy, it's just an average kind of process. You will be asked a question that find a rational number between 2 and 3. So how do you do it? So you just, like I've told you, suppose your 2 is A and your 3 is B, so you just need to divide A plus B by 2. So that goes as 2 plus 3 by 2, which is 5 by 2, which is 2.5. So 2.5 is one rational number between 2 and 3. And they can even ask you that find a rational number between two numbers, okay, and then denote it and then represent it on a number line. So you can give it like this being the smaller end, which is 2.5, this being the bigger end, which is 3. It's not 3.5, it's only 3, since we got that question of between 2 and 3. So we got one average, which is 2.5. So this is one rational number over here. Suppose they're asking you that you find three rational number. You find three rational number between, find three rational number between two numbers. Suppose 2 and 3. So between 2 and 3 we have found out one rational number. We will again find out one more rational number between, this is also 2, sorry, the question is wrong, between 2 and 3, okay. So again we'll find out a rational number between 2 and 2.5. So what is the rational number between 2 and 2.5? What we need to do, according to the mid value theorem, we just need to take the average of that, means sum both of it and then divided by 2. 2 plus 2.5 gives you 4.5. 4.5 by 2 gives you 2.25. So we got one more number over here, 2.25. Suppose they asked you the third. What is the third rational number? They've asked you three numbers now, which we assumed just now. So we have found out already 2.5, 2.25. One more we'll try to find out. So between 2 and 3 we found out 1. Between 2 and 2.5 we found out 1. So let's now find out between 2.5 and 3. So this way will go 2.5 plus 3 by 2. This is 5.5 by 2. Okay. So according to the division, this 2 2s are 4. Okay. And now this is 15. Okay. 2 7s are 14 and 2 5s are 10. So this gives you 2.75. Okay. So we got three rational numbers between 2 and 3. So the first number 2.25, 2.5, 2.75, and thus 3. So we got three numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, done. So let's get over to the denominator method. Okay, before going to the denominator method, this was a very easy question. Okay, so let's go to a question where they will be asking you that find 5 rational number between two numbers. So I have taken one such question over here. Okay, students, so that question is over here between 2 and 3, 2 by 3 and 8. So what we need to do is we need to take a number line. Okay, so this is 2.3 and this is 8, and we need to find 5 rational numbers between them. So first of all, we need to take the average of both of them, right? Okay, so how to take the average of, it's not 2.3, it's 2 by 3. It's 2 by 3. So between 2 by 3 and 8, you see, whenever you will find fractions like this, how you will add up, how you will do the how you will do the average. The very easy process with which you will not inculcate an error is you take half and then 2 by 3 plus 8. Okay, so you will not get confused with the denominators over here. Okay, this is a very preferable process which can be flawless if you can practice properly. So let's take the LCM properly. So the LCM being 3 here, and since 3 divided by 3 gives you 1, 1 into 2 gives you 2. I hope you know the process of LCM. Okay, now here the denominator was 1, so 3 divided by 1 gives you 3. 3 into 8 gives you 24. So this turns out to be 26 by 3, and you know, a half was there outside. A half was there outside. So now this half being multiplied, 26 into 1 gives you 26, and 3 into 2 gives you 6. Okay, students. So the very first number is 26 by 6, which we got over here. So what we can do is, never ever write this number on the number line. Okay, you'll get confused. I'll tell you why. Because this is yet reducible. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 2 13. So basically the number is 13 by 3. So I'll place it in mids. Okay, since this was an average of both of them, so it's 13 by 3. Okay, students. Next, what I'll do is, I have taken this now I've taken in between them 1. Now I'll take one more in between these two. Okay, so what will be the next one? Half of. The next one will be half of 2 by 3 plus 13 by 3. So this will be half of, gives you 3. Since the denominator is same, so 2 plus 13 goes on. So it gives you 13 plus 2 is 15 by 3 into half. 15 into 1 is 15. 3 into 2 is 6. So the next number is 15 by 6. Can you reduce it? Yes, it can be reduced. 3 5s are 15. 3 2 is 6. So you got this value as 5 by 2. So we got this value between them, right? Between 13 by 3. So this is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. So what we'll do is, next I'll try to find out between them. We have found out 2 numbers, but we need 3 more. So I'll take one number in between them, between 5 by 2 and 13 by 3. So what I'll do here is half of 5 by 2 plus 13 by 3. So this gives you half of, need to take LCM since the denominator are not same. 3 and 2, these are 2 denominators, correct? So this value is half of, and we will be taking LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So 6 divided by 2 gives you 3. That 3 is to multiplied with 5. 3 5s are 15, plus again 6 divided by 3 gives you 2. 2 into 13 gives you 26. So this gives you 15 and 26. You see, students, this 26 is there now. From here you take 4. 26 and 4 becomes 30. 30, and here from 15, if 4 is taken, 11. 11 and 30 becomes 41. 41 into 1 becomes 41 by 6 2s are 12. So this is 41 by 12, and this value was between 5 by 2 and 13 by 3, and which is here 41 by 12. So how many values we got? 1, 2, 3, sorry, 1, this value was already there, 2 by 3 and 8, right? So 5 by 2, 41 by 2 and 13 by 3. So we got three values. We need to find the other two. The other two can be in between 13 by 3 and 8. You will get one value. Suppose you got x over here, x. So the next value you can find out between x and 8 using the same method, which is you got your y. So what you need to do to find value between 13 by 3 and 8. So 13 by 3 plus 8 whole into 1 by 2. Okay, from there you will get the value of x, and from again over here, okay, this x plus 8 whole into 1 by 2. Okay, the value whatever you will get the value of y. So this is how you can find n numbers between any two given numbers. Okay, students. So next we will be coming on to the denominator method. Next we are coming into the denominator method. The denominator method also, it is used to insert rational number between two given number. Suppose there is a question for you that you insert 8 rational numbers between 2 and 3. Okay, this is between using the denominator method. How we can do using the mid value method, we have just seen over here, right? Which is this. Okay, taking half of every part will do. Okay, this is a bit more easier than the mid value method. So the process is, okay, so the process starts with how many numbers we need? 8 numbers, right? This 2 will be multiplied and divided by a factor. Even this 3 will be multiplied and divided by a factor. The factor which will multiply and divide 2, which will multiply and divide 3 are same. Okay, and the factor will be, how many rational numbers we need? 8. Okay, that factor will be 8 plus 1, which is 9. Suppose you need 10 rational numbers, so that factor will be 10 plus 1, which is equal to 11. So what we need to do with 9 is 2 into 9 by 9, and with 3 into 9 by 9. So what we got, students, over here, 2 9s are 18 by 9, and 3 9s are 27 by 9. You see, we got two numbers whose denominators are same, and that is why this method is called as the denominator method. Okay, so now how many numbers we needed? We needed 8 rational numbers between them, right? Okay, so let's start writing 8 rational numbers between them. The numbers are 18 by 9 was already there. The number is 19 by 9, 20 by 9, 21 by 9, 22 by 9, 23 by 9, 24 by 9, 25 by 9, and 26 by 9. Let's count how many numbers there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we are done. So these were two numbers given to us, and we need to find this between these two numbers. Okay, so you have got it. Okay, so this was a very easy process. Next we will come on to the numerator method. We have seen how the denominator works, and now we will be working with the numerator. Okay.